In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create due date rules in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Creating due date rules can be a game changer for your project management in Asana. These automation rules help you streamline your workflow, ensuring that tasks are managed effectively and on time. So let's dive right into it. First, you need to open the specific Asana project where you want to implement these new automation rules. Once you're inside your project, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Customize. Go ahead and click that button. After clicking on Customize, you'll find several options in the drop-down menu. Look for the one labeled Rules and click on it. This will open up a new window where you can manage your automation settings. You should see an option labeled Add. Click on that to start crafting your new automation. Now, Asana gives you the flexibility to create a custom rule from scratch, so select the option to create a custom rule. This will allow you to define your parameters exactly how you want them. Once you're in the custom rule setup, you'll see a gear icon. By clicking this gear icon, you'll find the option to toggle off Run on Subtasks. Disabling this option is essential because it unlocks all due date triggers for you. Next, it's time to choose a specific due date event that will act as the starting trigger for your rule. Think about the specifics of your workflow. It could be something like when a task's due date is approaching, or when a task becomes overdue. Select the event that makes the most sense for your project's needs. Now that you've set your trigger, the next step is to determine the automated action that should take place once your selected due date trigger is met. For example, you might want to automatically assign the task to a specific team member or send a notification to remind the team about the approaching due date. Whatever action you choose, ensure that it aligns with your project goals. Once you have selected your trigger and action, take a moment to review them. This is an important step to ensure that your rule will function as you intend. Think of it like giving everything a final check before you press send on an important email. You want to be sure everything is correct. If everything looks good, go ahead and click the Publish button. This will activate your new due date rule within your Asana project. And just like that, you've successfully set up an automation that can save you and your team a lot of time and help keep everything on track. Now, it's always a good idea to check your work after you've set things up. So take a moment now to see if your new rule is functioning properly. Make sure that the actions you set to trigger are being executed as expected. That's it for today's tutorial. By following these steps, you've learned to create due date rules in Asana and streamline your project management process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and happy